Hello everybody, we are here filling in for Tia today. I'm with my nephew Cree and
we're gonna have a competition.
Oh yeah, a sundae competition. Who has what kind of sundae?
It doesn't look, but how it tastes.
Exactly, what matters. Where it ends up, right here, right? We have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? Chocolate? Yeah. Okay, cool. Did you want to put anything in here first? Or did you just want to go straight up ice cream?
I just want to go straight up
cool.
ice cream.
So how many scoops do you want?
Two.
Two. We finished up the ice cream, but we have all these toppings. And then we have sprinkles, we have cookies, cupcakes, licorice. What are we gonna do with them?
Put them on?
Top, exactly. I know for me, I'm gonna start with this cupcake. Just slam dunked on top. What about you? Banana? We also have some syrup over here. You want some caramel or chocolate or what?
That's gonna be the last thing.
Oh, last thing. I'm gonna start early. In your opinion, can a sundae have too much ice cream or can it have too many toppings?
You can have a lot of toppings.
What about this? A little sweet and salty?
I would not do that.
You wouldn't do that? Why not? Is the sugar and salt? You don't think that's a good combination? Oh, okay. Grabbing the gummy bears. Let's see what this tastes like too. You got the bananas going around the chocolate, looking like a piece of art right there. I'm going to start with some sprinkles. Do you want any sprinkles or are you good?
I'm gonna do sprinkles probably last.
Probably last.
These two are gonna be last.
I think I'm gonna be putting the finishing touches on mine. I think I'm done. Let me do it. Do you need help with doing this or you got it?
No, I don't got it. I don't know how to do it.
All right, cool. So pretty much you're just gonna angle it and press, all right? Here, I'll squeeze.
All around it.
I know we're eating sundaes right now, so since we're eating these before dinner, don't tell your mom first off, and second off, just try and eat as much as you can. Can you do that for me?
My mom doesn't really care.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I can't tell my dad.
Okay.
My dad will be like, you eat ice cream sundaes. And I'll be like, okay.
All right, well, we're just gonna have to keep it on the low, okay? You know what I used to do when I was rich?
What?
I used to grab this out of the refrigerator, right? I used to look around, make sure no one was downstairs.
Like grandma?
Yeah, like grandma. And then I used to just hit it quick.
And then what did grandma do?
She never found out. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, but we have to keep it a secret. So you're just gonna press on this nozzle right here. There you go. Now you just got How you like it? It's good? Cool.
Yeah.
Let's do a quick whipped cream challenge. Okay, so the rules go, whoever can put the most whipped cream in their mouth and close their mouth without it coming out wins.
I go first?
Yeah, you can go first. Okay, definitely don't tell your mom we're doing this. I'm gonna go, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna show you how it's done, alright?
Okay.
Your sundae looks better than mine, but I'm pretty sure mine tastes better.
Okay, I'm gonna dig in.
Nice.
Oh my.
What's your favorite part about yours?
The chocolate.
And chocolate. For you at home, let us know who won the challenge. Leave a comment down below and have your own sundae challenge with whoever you love. All right, until next time, take care.